Hi folks. Today I'll show you how to create thumbnails for YouTube Shorts conveniently on your PC. For some reasons YouTube doesn't want you to add thumbnails to short videos. When uploading a short video, the button for adding thumbnails is inactive, and YouTube chooses a frame of this video randomly for this. Afterwards you will no longer be able to edit or change it. Searching for solutions, you find some workarounds to solve this problem by uploading the shorts via smartphone. This can work quite well if you already have your video on the phone. But if you want to upload dozens of videos from your PC to your channel, it would be unreasonable. The solution. I found a solution by accident. I was wondering why I was sometimes offered the option to create thumbnails for some of my videos and mostly not, although all of them had the same format. Comparing these exceptions with my other shorts, I found out that if the playing time is up to 59 seconds, YouTube declares them as shorts. I tested it by varying the length of the same video. If it is at least 1 minute long, it is classified as a normal video and you can add thumbnails. In this case, you can upload the video via the PC and treat it like a normal video. That is the base of my workaround. At first you have to extend the short video with an intro until it's at least 1 minute long. Then upload it to YouTube. After that, you can add the desired thumbnail. Now you have to cut out the extension with the YouTube editor. The downside of this method: the thumbnail remains but cannot be changed afterwards, because it's a normal short video again. I'll explain how you can extend the short video by using Canva. You will find the link to this useful tool in the description below. Before you can use Canva, you first have to create your account. For this you must go to the Canva website, click the Sign Up button and choose one of the different options. If you select to register with your email, type in your email address and Canva sends you a code each time you try to log in. After logging in, Canva opens the home screen. Choose Create a Design. Select YouTube Short. Now it's time to upload your short video. In the timeline, there's already a new page. Create a second one by clicking on the plus symbol. The first page is for the additional intro and the second one for your content. Insert a rectangle into the first page and fill it black. Select the second page and double-click on your video to insert it. After you have adjusted all elements to the page, select the intro in the timeline and drag the end until the total length of the video is slightly longer than 1 minute. Download the extended video by clicking on the Share button and choosing Download. Select the desired download folder on your PC and enter the file name. The default format is already set to MP4. Now I'll show you the YouTube procedure, how to add your custom thumbnails, and how to cut out the extension intro with the help of the YouTube video editor. Go to your channel and click the Create button. Upload your extended video. If it is at least 1 minute long, you are able to set a customized thumbnail. You can select a frame of your video or upload a prepared one. On your channel, you choose Manage Videos to get to your channel content. There you hover over your extended video and click the View on YouTube button. Below the video there is the Edit Video button. It leads you to the video details, where you find the button for the YouTube editor in the left column. Clicking there, your video will be opened in the YouTube video editor. Here you choose the Trim and Cut option by clicking on the plus symbol. By dragging the video in the timeline on its left end to the right, you shorten the intro up to the beginning of your content. Since the editor is not very precise, I suggest leaving a few black frames of the intro rather than accidentally cutting out frames of the video content. Check the result using the preview. Unfortunately, this feature is not particularly accurate either. Save the video. This may take a few minutes. You do not have to wait until the video is completely finished. Instead, you can upload the next video. If you then check the details of your video, you will see that there is no option to add thumbnails, as it is now a YouTube short video again. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please leave a like below. Write a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Constructive criticism is also welcome. This video was recorded in January 2024. It would be a pity if YouTube tried to block this method later on. Everyone should be able to decide whether and which thumbnail to use.